Have you ever wondered, how can I get my students to pay attention during my lesson? As teachers, a lot of times we have to teach content. However, it's hard to keep our students' attention whenever we have to teach the content. Well, I think I have just the suggestion for you. My name is Ashton Nisbet. I've been using Pear Deck add-ons for over a year now, and I found that they can be a great help in this area. A real presentation transformation. In this lesson, you will learn how can Pear Deck help you engage your whole classroom in a lesson, and what are some tools that Pear Deck offers to engage students. First of all, Pear Deck can engage students because each participant has their own view. So there's a view on the projector, the students each have their personal view, and then it benefits the teacher because they can view student feedback on their own device. And as we will see in a minute, is that there are many interactive opportunities that Pear Deck offers for you to include in your lesson. This will give every student an opportunity to be active and participating in your lesson. So let me show you some of these ways. Let's say you have a lesson and you're wanting to add some kind of activity into your lesson. This would be a great opportunity for a Pear Deck add-on. With your Google slide, you would go to the top, click Add-ons. If you don't already have Pear Deck, then you would say Get Add-ons. Pear Deck is a free add-on, so you would just click it and download it. Simple as that. Here I already have Pear Deck, so I can go to Add-ons, Pear Deck, and open the Pear Deck add-on. It will open a bar to the side, and this shows the many different options that I can add on to my slides. In my lesson today, I will show you two. The first one I'd like to show you is asking students a question. So when you ask a question, first you need to type the question onto your Google slide. So I will type, how can I get my students to be engaged in my lesson? Then, once I have my question on my slide and I've opened up Pear Deck, I would click the type of response I want my students to answer this question. So I want a text response. That means they're going to type up something. On their student device, they will get to see your Google slide, and they will have a spot that will have them type it out. On the projector, it will display the question and their responses if you click Show Responses. You click Update Slide. It will add it to your slide, and it's simple as that. Let's see another example. So another thing about Pear Deck is there's many different options and opportunities. So that text was one for responding to a question over here, but they also have opportunities for end of the lesson exit tickets, like one where you can draw. So These are all templates, so they're already set a certain way. But you can choose them and add them on, and then when students come to this page, or when you get to this point in your lesson, it will be open for students to respond. So this one is a drawing response. Students will be able to draw anywhere on this slide. So there are responses that you can type your own question and you can choose which kind of response you want. Or there's opportunities for bell ringers, assessments, and reflections that are templates that you can add into your lesson. And these are my resources. I hope you enjoy your Pear Deck add-ons.